Greetings to everyone. Diwali is a festival of light, bringing sweetness into life. That being said, let's make sweets for our family and loved ones. Let's make vermicelli kheer or payasam as is called in Tamil. First, place 500 grams of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 5 to 6 saffron strands in the mixing bowl. We shall heat it 5 minutes, 95 degrees Celsius at speed 1. Now add 80 grams of condensed milk, and 50 grams of roasted vermicelli noodles. Cook without measuring cup for 25 minutes, 90 degrees Celsius, reverse speed 1.5. Pause at 15 minutes. Give a stir to make sure vermicelli is evenly distributed to cook in the milk. Continue cooking now at speed 1. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Give a good stir and transfer to a serving bowl. Now moving on to our next dish, orange milk biscuits, we shall begin by making condensed milk. Place 40 grams of butter, 140 grams of orange juice, and 4 grams of orange zest in the mixing bowl. Heat 3 minutes. Aroma speed 1. Add 150 grams of sugar, 110 grams of milk powder, and a pinch of salt. Let's blend 30 seconds speed 10 for a very smooth texture. Now, this is the flavored condensed milk of approximately 450 grams. Transfer to a sterilized bowl. Scrape the sides and blend again 25 seconds speed 2.5. Transfer dough to a pastry mat. Form a round tight dough ball. In the meantime, preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Let's move on to our final dish, Nankhatai. Weigh in 175 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of besan, 55 grams of semolina into the mixing bowl. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, and pinch of salt. Cover with lid and measuring cup. We are going to mix this by using turbo 1 second 2 times. Transfer to a bowl and reserve. Now clean dry the mixing bowl and add 90 grams of sugar. Cover with lid and MC. Mill turbo 2 times. Scrape down the sides and add 100 grams of ghee. Insert butterfly. Whip to a whiter creamy texture. 5 minutes, speed 2.5. Remove the butterfly. Add the mixed flour to the whipped cream. Cover with lid and MC to mix the batter 30 seconds, speed 2.5. Transfer and shape to a ball on a pastry mat. If the batter is soft, place in the fridge for 15 minutes to harden it. Preheat oven at 180 degrees. Now using a tablespoon to scoop out the dough, form a round ball with your 2 palms gently. Shape all to an even size and place on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Makes about 24 pieces. Press down 1 to 2 chopped almonds and pistachios on each dough ball. Bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. This depends on your oven temperature. Remove baking tray and allow to cool for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. As for the kheer, garnish with rose jam, followed by chopped pistachios and roasted almonds. Wishing everyone a happy Diwali. Be safe and healthy.